Hello guys, welcome back. So I bring you guys this other Halloween set. I got started with 2 of the nails already, and now I'm going to be working on this one here. So I'm going to be mixing 2 polishes for this one. First off, with this red orange tone, I'm going to set it in the lamp, and then I'm going to be adding this lighter orange on top. So I did apply 1 coat of the other one and 1 coat of this one. And this is how it turned out, a really pretty orange. So now I'm going to be mixing 2 of these. I'm going to get started with the lighter polish. So I'm going to be applying 2 coats of this one and 2 coats of the darker one. This is how this one is going to look after it's cured. Now I'm going to be working on the pinky. I'm just going to be applying that bright orange on top, and I'm going to be doing 2 coats of this one. Alright guys, so it's time for some nail art. I'm going to be creating some little pumpkins on this nail. So I'll be coming back to that now. Meanwhile, I'm going to be doing this other nail. I'm going to be creating some little pumpkin faces or jack-o'-lantern faces. I'm doing 3 on this nail, and then I'm going to go ahead and set it for 60 seconds. So once the nail was set, I decided to go over the faces one more time. And for this nail, I'm just doing some little drops of nail polish. I love how this one turned out. Now for the pinky, I decided to add some glitter. Alright, so I'm going back to the nail with the little pumpkins, and I'm going to be adding some green nail polish for the little stem. I also decided to add some black and orange polka dots to this nail. And this is how this one turned out, so cute. And for this nail, I went ahead and wrote trick or treat on it. And I decided to add a little black rhinestone to the pinky nail. I also decided to add a rhinestone on this nail. And this is the completed set, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be seeing you guys on the next one.